Hey, what's up Pokemon fans? In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a Pokemon in PkHeX which you can then use in random Wi-Fi battles. The first thing you wanna do is download my breeding template from the description. It will be useful for creating any breedable Pokemon in the game. Remember that this does not work on legendaries, since they always need their valid fixed location set and cannot be bred. Look up their locations online on websites like Cerebi or Bulbapedia. Alternatively, go on PokéDit and download some templates for legendaries to get their location right. To start creating a non-legendary Pokemon, you firstly load up the breeding template by dragging it into PkHeX. As our example Pokemon, we will be creating a Gyarados. Let's go ahead and change the Pokemon species aka Pokemon to Gyarados. Note that the star on the left enables shininess on a Pokemon. If you want to undo this, click the reroll button. To change the gender of a Pokemon, click on the gender symbol to toggle male or female. If you want to change the nickname, make sure to tick the checkbox, which means that the Pokemon is renamed. Set the nature to whatever you like. I choose Jolly for increased speed and decreased special attack. Also choose the held item, which will be Gyarados side in my case. Now make sure to choose your favorite ability, which in my case is Intimidate. I don't know if there's a difference on abilities that have the same name but numbers behind them, but I think it doesn't matter. Also, do not choose an unreleased hidden ability like Water Absorb on Suicune, it won't work. Now that we're done with the main tab, we can continue with the stats tab. Remember that the mat tab doesn't need to be touched since it's already set to a valid egg hatching data. Under normal conditions, we want all IVs to be set to 31, but feel free to change them in case you're going to use hidden power or something which is handy on lower stats, like Gyro Ball. Next we'll have to set the EVs. We are only allowed to distribute 510 EVs in total if you want the Pokemon to be legit. The maximum is 252 per stat, so I can give 252 EVs to attack and 252 EVs to speed. This comes down to personal preference and heavily depends on the Pokemon. Also, I can place the remaining 6 EVs into HP. Now for the moves. It is important to note that only moves that can be learned by that specific Pokemon can be given. Also make sure that your combination of moves is valid. Chansey, for example, can only learn Wish using a 3rd generation move tutor, so breeding it in Gen 6 and giving it that move would be considered illegal. To see which moves can be learned how, check it out online. The OT Misc tab can be left alone as well. Now all you need to do is place the created Pokemon in your save game using whichever method you want. If you have a gateway card, check out my tutorial. It will be linked in the description. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and favorite.